Rich Wallace from Bowers AKC Labs. We're here with Coca-Cola, Rosie, Faith, and there they are. They weren't here yesterday. They were outside playing. Molly's puppies that are available, the black puppies, they're doing great. And there's Rosie, their grandmother. Lay down. There they are. They're available. So if anybody wants a black male, there they are. Beautiful. And there they are. Come on, don't let me send them to the glue factory. No, you don't have to worry. They only accept boys at the glue factory, my Coca-Cola. Come on, people. Don't let me send them to the glue factory. They're going right after Christmas. Sorry, Rosie. My Rosie, baby. My Faithy. Faithy, I love you. There you go. Faith is good. Rosie's good. Blackie 1 is good. They're ready for their bones. That's what they're ready for, bones. And there's my Coca-Cola. I love her. Okay, Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. If you're interested in the black male, let me know. They're right there, beautiful. Already trained, already going to the bathroom, everything. Look at that. All right, Rich Bowers signing off, and God bless.